So, but how much is this carbon piece?
Retail?
Yeah, retail.
$2,000.
That's really sick. You can change colors with it, right?
What's going on, everyone? We're back, Liberty Exotics. Today we're working on the Audi, the R8. We're putting, well, they are, I'm not. They're doing the whole front end. Putting the front end on. They're gonna take the door apart because there's a little problem. The glass is all in the door, shattered. We're gonna work on that, and then hopefully we can properly have this thing back on the road. A couple airbags and Gucci.
So how long do you think it's gonna take?
Honestly, with Henry in charge, probably a couple of weeks still. See, I think if Saney with the one, you know, committed to the car, probably 48 hours. But with Henry involved, probably a couple of weeks.
I don't even.
What do you have to say about that?
Matthew's just talking a whole bunch of crap.
You wanna say that again?
I actually said that you would be quick on the car, so you're welcome.
Oh.
We don't condone violence in this place. Unless it's Matthew.
Not in the workplace, obviously.
No.
Unless it's Matthew.
Our HR department's down at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Our vlogger is out of commission right now. It'll be us working on the car, right? So
I'm gonna supervise.
Yeah, he's gonna supervise. But so the main goal for today is to get this front bumper on. We have the grill, the new grill. That's the old grill. It was broken.
Yo.
The cameraman is like...
Let me focus here before I fail this class.
Took about how many weeks?
over a month to get the grill, just the grill, because the borders are closed as well.
The borders are closed and they ran out of shipping boxes. That's the excuse we got.
Literally, we called them after emailing and they didn't reply. They said they're waiting on boxes, but they have our grill. Like what?
I guess there's a shortage in shipping boxes. You know what though, that could also make sense. Just because of the pandemic, a lot of things being shipped around like PPE and whatnot, so, but whatever, it's here now finally. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen an R8 vlog.
Yeah, you know? No, there was only ever one.
It was two. What could this be? I don't know. I don't know, man.
Ooh, look at that. What's Henry unboxing? What do we think it is?
This is the inside portion of the grill. Yep. You wanna play games?
See, this is why when Henry works on cars, it takes a couple weeks. The audience needs 3D glasses.
Yeah, right? That would be sick.
Ooh.
The one piece of the grill goes behind the actual grill. The main grill.
The big box, the main grill, it's also not this big.
That came from California?
Yep. This is the box that came from the company that had a shortage of boxes. I think we know why now. See the old grill, the straight grill.
Oh, look at the
Replacing
difference.
it anyways.
Look at the difference
Why
on
not?
that.
Why not? They're the same amount.
So what's the current update?
This is for the new R8.
And it's broken.
And it's broken
cracked
from
in
shipping. And this is not the new R8. This is a 2017. This is probably from what, a 2020, 2021,
yeah.
something like that. So if you look at the edges, they don't exactly fit. It doesn't match up. So
You're good at fabricating.
since we are in a jam, you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna take the old one out, use that
For now.
until we get a actual
Replacement.
new one, proper replacement meant for this
Okay,
car.
return that one and then... Looks like the front end of this car is going to get taken apart one more time after this, but... Alright, so initially we thought that this was going to go on this way, because I mean it would look way cooler,
Yeah.
but it actually goes on this way. So
It still
all you-
looks cool.
I know, but all you're going to see is this little lip peek out from
So, but how much is this carbon piece?
retail.
Yeah, retail.
$2,000.
And all you're gonna see is just this
All
little
you-
thing. Really?
It's an OEM lip.
Yeah.
for like the carbon package.
Yeah.
But we only got it for $100.
Oh, okay. But it's real carbon though, obviously, right?
Dry carbon.
And here we have Henry screwing the grill. Are you taking the old pieces into the new pieces? Okay, see, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing.
Sometimes.
I've said that once before and you were listening.
Bro, I was doing class. Everybody knows that. Okay, so I'm gonna do a montage. 3, 2, 1. How hot is that?
$10.
Touch it. Touch it.
Yeah, it would like $10 or $20.
Okay, that's pretty hot. That's pretty hot. Don't break it. Don't break it.
Don't say that.
Hey, can you get
Don't say that. The boss is here.
No. You're peeling off the whole thing. You gotta peel off.
It's right there. It's coming off.
Just a little bit.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Flip the whole thing off. Is it glue?
Yeah, it's close. 3M.
Oh. Well, if you ask me how to take a door card or door panel off, I would not know how to do it. But that's why I'm here today.
After a little bit of research, take this door panel apart, pop off the speaker cover.
Okay.
And there's gonna be 2 screws behind that,
Sweet.
and then we'll take those out.
Yep.
And we'll go from there.
So wait, where's the glass exactly?
The glass is actually shattered inside the door. So like.
So it's like right in here, right?
Yeah, right in here in the frame.
Oh man.
Here, listen.
Yep. You guys hear that? Okay. Voila. Now the door card is off. Are you gonna take the whole door off the hinges or no?
No.
How are you gonna get the glass out?
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
How much glass do you think is in here?
A lot.
I'm not even.
The whole
opening it,
entire
like,
glass.
I don't even know.
I think there's gonna be a lot of glass in there. Oh.
wow. There you go.
Okay. There is a lot of glass.
Oh, nice. Just use the vacuum.
After how many hours, we're on the next clip, and we finally got the front bumper to kind of align.
We're gonna adjust the headlights.
Oh yeah, because the headlights weren't really in place though, right?
They were just put in there.
They were just put in there, so now they're gonna be more flush. Yo, so question of the day. I did a poll on Instagram. Turbocharger? Naturally aspirated? Supercharger?
Give me a class of vehicle.
This one.
Naturally aspirated.
Naturally aspirated? You think so? You wouldn't do any forced induction to this,
Okay, if I would go supercharged.
right?
I feel like these
It's
cars,
more reliable,
like the,
right?
not even that, but the linear power band, it's very nice. I like
Right.
I like the way that is. Like turbos are fun. Turbocharged cars are fun.
Are they reliable?
It's not even about reliability. It's just some cars I'd rather have the linear power band than just have a whole bunch of boost hit all of a sudden.
Exactly, right?
Yeah, but it is fun to have the boost as well.
Henry, turbocharger, supercharger, naturally aspirated.
Loading. I don't know.
For this car, supercharger is like what, 840 horsepower?
You get to these
I do
cars,
turbo.
Turbo?
On these cars, turbo any day.
Alright. But mind you, turbo kits are like what, 50k, 60k?
Yeah, but if you can afford this car, then-
Still.
like if you're already thinking about turbocharging an R8, you can afford it, right?
Right.
Like if you have the R8 and you're like, oh, should I turbo it or supercharge it?
You can do it probably.
You can do it, right? It's just there's a lot of other things that come into play with turbocharging, like stuff that has to do with the ECU and whatnot, right? Like
Makes
look
sense.
at the C8s now. Turbocharge
yeah.
the C8s, and some of the owners that have turbocharged C8s, they're having a couple problems,
Right.
right?
It's not reliable.
So it's not even that. It's because that car's so new, hacking into the ECU and whatnot, it's a little
But yo,
difficult. So
I mean this car, because this car's not new. You can turbocharge this.
easily,
Right?
easily. I don't know, like again,
All-wheel
I haven't
drive?
been in a car with that much power.
Right.
The fastest car I've been in is a 2JZ swapped E46,
Making?
1200 horsepower.
No way.
Yeah.
Obviously very
It
well.
was built everything, rear wheel drive. I drove it. It's fun, yeah, 100%. It's fun, but like, how much are you really using? Right?
Exactly.
You're just lighting up
in
the tires.
In the GTA, how much are you really going to,
Yeah.
right? Play
Exactly.
around with it.
That's why I like linear power.
Yeah.
Because you know you ring out the gears.
Exactly,
and whatnot.
exactly.
But turbochargers, I mean, you know, like it
Out
could
of nowhere,
get a
boom,
little-
right?
It could get a little sketchy, right?
No, I hear you
Of course.
100%.
But I like my slow car.
Yeah, honestly, I would choose supercharger as well. Right? Reliable, 840
That's one
horsepower.
of the things that I like the most about my car. It's slow,
Right.
so I can go through the gears and I'm not breaking.
You can have fun,
breaking
right?
any rules. Yeah.
Okay, I see you, I see you.
Take the sketch out,
Respects,
man.
respects. Guys, this build is coming along so well. We do also have this build that we can't forget about. You guys probably know a gentleman that goes by the name of Cherry. He's gonna hopefully come by today, take a look at this and see if we actually get this running today. Because again, it's not a blown motor. It's, I guess, oil filters or something like that. I have no idea. But yeah, I'm glad to see this back in action.
Crash sensor, man. You trying to make the airbags go off again?
How do I put it back?
It's Velcro. You don't know how to use Velcro.
No, but it...
There you go. Don't touch it now.
As I touch it again, sorry. What do you first impressions? Oh, first impressions. What do you think?
Looks sick.
Looks sick.
I like it. I like it.
First impressions. What do you think?
Looks good.
Looks pretty good. Looks a little different. I think I'm used to seeing this car hood up.
Taken apart.
Right? It looks good but different. I'm just so confused why Audi charged so much for this piece.
It's carbon fiber.
But no, like $2,000 for like barely an inch of.
It's stock. It comes on the cars. From
Right,
the
but like it's still expensive.
It's an R8, bro.
Does it go any lower than this or no?
Oh, hold on.
See, right.
There's a sequence to this madness. It's door open first.
No, it's not aligned properly, so we have to do it in a perfect sequence, or else we're gonna scratch the paint. Okay, pop the hood latch. There.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Now you can open the door. All
Oh.
the way.
So
All the way.
And then we can open the hood so we don't scratch it.
Okay, but who's really gonna remember that?
okay.
We're
no,
about to adjust
we're
it
gonna
properly.
Okay.
The reason is we didn't have a front end. We needed the headlights to be adjusted so we can adjust the hood. You got to work your way to it, right? So the front end had to be on, so we can work our way back and adjust everything.
Okay.
So this was just put on to be on, right, on the car, so it's not laying around getting scratched.
About the door card, we still have the glass.
That noise was
Yeah, I
freaking
know,
out,
it's
so I
good.
heard the noise. I was like, oh.
We still have the glass in here. I don't know how we're gonna take that out. We should literally just take the whole thing out and just shake it, right? I was supposed to vacuum it.
Yeah.
Nobody told me that.
I told you to vacuum it.
Where's the vacuum? Okay. I mean, like getting my hands dirty, but if I need to, I will. What are you caressing that quarter panel for?
I'm inspecting it, making sure it's of
Okay.
full quality to be reinstalled.
We don't. It's just.
What happened here now? I guess you're tilting the door,
Lining it,
aligning it,
realigning.
realigning it.
You're done.
Henry is the most hardest working after you.
After who?
Saini. After you, bro. Who would you say is the most hardest working? You gotta be honest. Be
Yeah, the guy
honest.
that came in like 20 minutes ago.
Yo, let's see your car. Show us your car. Right? How do you do the shooting star thing? Oh, that's sick. That's really sick. You can change colors with it, right?
Yeah.
Obviously. But does this one come with the shooting star package?
This one doesn't have shooting stars in it.
Oh, okay. No, but this is sick. No way. Does that have patterns? Like a flow?
No, this one, I put a basic kit into this car.
Okay.
Other cars, and I get a more executive package.
Oh no, you did it with the sunroof too, right?
Yeah.
Is that harder?
No, I actually went around the sunroof.
It's pretty simple, right?
Yeah, it's a pretty simple install. It's just very, very long.
Very long,
It
right?
took like a whole day.
What's your Instagram so if anybody wants the Starlight package, they can get it below?
It's Kammy Motors, Kammy Motors.
Sweet, sweet. How
all
many
comes
sizes are in that car?
Mine's just a 500 basic with color changing.
Not bad.
There isn't too much to this one, but of course we can go with something more of a phone operated
Right.
Bluetooth controller with shooting stars and twinkle effect.
And that'll be like the most stars you could put in the car is probably like 1,000, right?
No, you could do more.
No way, more than that.
You could put as many as you want.
And that'll be like obviously more detailed, right?
Yeah, it just takes time. You have to poke each hole by
Right.
hand and then put the optic cable through and whatnot.
Yeah. So how long do you think it'll take?
To do an install,
Like 1,000 lit install.
probably a good 2 days.
Not
Just
bad.
of
Not
work.
bad. 2 day
days
turnaround. Straight. Oh my god.
Something
Okay.
like this took about 10 hours.
Man hours, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
10 hours
See.
straight, just poking holes and sitting there, tying everything down.
No,
You
but
have
it's
to count
sick.
Each strand.
I really like it. I really like
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah, I want to see how it look with the R8 though. That'll be
That will be something
right.
unique. And of
With the
course,
R8?
it's a smaller roof, so you don't have to do as many.
What you're pointing out? The fender gap is too big.
You do need to go down.
This is the fun part. It's pretty satisfying, huh? It is. We're gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. So when I snap my fingers, it's gonna be tomorrow.
But before he snaps his fingers.
Yo, this guy farted again.
Maybe that wasn't me. That was. Maybe y'all can get Elijah to get up off his lazy.
Clean up, clean up.
And actually do some work, you know?
Everybody, everywhere. There's nothing really much to clean up. We keep our shop pretty clean.
Not cleaning up, man. You be sitting in the cars, you know.
Oh
not
yeah,
recording.
You know,
Pretty
online
lazy.
school, right? Online school.
Online school that ended at what? 11
Yeah.
in the morning. What time is it now? What time? Hold on, let's see what time it is.
It is 7:30, and now school.
And how much recording? How much did you record?
This
today?
vlog should be 13 minutes.